This Salter Toronto set adds a stylish and unique touch to my kitchen, and it gives me everything I need and want in a kitchen. The Toronto digital microwave has a generous 20-litre capacity, which is great for cooking for the whole family. It's got an impressive 95-minute timer, and the 800 power gives you control over your cooking. It's convenient and great for ready-made meals, and also frozen food as well. This microwave has a defrost function allowing you to defrost, and it's also got 8 auto cooking functions including auto reheat, vegetables, fish, meat, pasta, potato, pizza and soup. The Toronto kettle is also a great addition. It also has a large capacity of 1.7 litres. It's perfect for morning brews and coffees, and because of its large capacity it allows you to make hot drinks for all the family and guests at once. It's definitely a quick pick-me-up with its 3 kilowatt rapid boil, perfect for when you're in a rush. Just make sure that you fill the water above the minimum line. It also has a 360 degrees based with boil dry sensor and auto shut off for added safety. This Toronto 4-slice toaster has extra wide slots so you can fit thick slices of bread, crumpets, tea cakes or bagels. It has defrost, reheat and cancel functions. And what I love the most about this toaster is it has 6 toasting levels. So whether you like your bread lightly toasted, golden brown or even crunchier toast, you have ultimate control using these buttons. Everyone has different preferences, but anyone can get the perfect slice of toast. This is such a convenient toaster, and I absolutely prefer this over my 2-slice toaster that doesn't have toasting levels. The electric coffee and spice grinder is designed with a stainless steel blade for precision grinding and is perfect for grinding coffee beans, spices, dry herbs and nuts. And it's also super easy to clean because it has a removable bowl. This isn't just a regular grinder because it has different settings from fine, medium or coarse. It's also super easy and quick to use. It can literally take just a few seconds. And it prepares me for when I use the retro espresso machine in the colour cream. This is an awesome espresso machine because not only does it look retro like it came from the 90s, but it also has a touch control digital LED display, which is super easy to operate. It comes with a coffee measuring spoon, a tamper, a portafilter, and a stainless steel milk jug, so you can create barista style drinks at home. Who said you need to pay for overpriced coffee when you can literally make it at home in the comfort of your own home? This coffee machine is compatible for ground coffee and offers single and double shot functions. You can create creamy cappuccinos, lattes and espresso drinks, as it features a milk frothing wand to create creamy and foamy textured milk. So yes, you can even make foam art as well. This espresso machine also has a 20-bar Italian pressure pump and 1350 watt motor. It's powerful and equipped with a 1.35 litre water tank for less refills. I think the Toronto collection, along with the espresso machine and grinder, should be in everyone's kitchen. I don't know what I'd do without them.